Welcome back to Natural Earth Living, where we explore the practical wisdom of nature and sustainable living. One plant, one animal, and one simple shift at a time. Today, I want to flip the script on backyard poultry. We've all been told that chickens are the go-to birds for homesteading. But what if I told you that ducks might actually be easier to raise, and better for your health and your land? Let's talk about why ducks might just be the ultimate low-maintenance egg layers for your homestead. First things first, ducks don't need all the special treatment chickens do. Forget the roosting bars, nesting boxes, or high perches. Ducks lay their eggs on the ground, usually in the early morning, and they often pick the same quiet spot each time. No extra structures or fuss needed. And because they sleep on the floor in a pile, you don't need to build raised beds or elaborate perches. Their shelter can be simpler, lower to the ground, and much easier to clean and maintain. They're calm, they're quiet, and they're not constantly trying to escape or stir up drama like chickens sometimes do. Now here's the funny part. Ducks actually stay cleaner than chickens, as long as they have water. They use water to wash out their eyes, clean their bills, and rinse away pests. No dust baths, no endless fluff flying around. A kiddie pool or a shallow tub is usually all they need to stay fresh and parasite-free, and it helps keep your co-op cleaner too. Let's talk about the real gold, the eggs. Duck eggs are around 30% larger than chicken eggs, higher in omega-3, vitamin D, iron and protein. Rich in albumin, which makes them perfect for baking fluffier cakes, stronger meringues, better rise. And they just taste better, creamy, rich, and deeply satisfying. If you're serious about cooking or nutrition, duck eggs are the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Ducks are tough birds. They don't catch diseases as easily. They're less prone to mites and lice. And their strong immune systems mean fewer vet bills and interventions. They handle cold, damp weather like champs, and don't mind the mud at all. In fact, they love it. Chickens hate getting wet, but ducks? They're built for it. Their feathers are coated in oil, their feet are webbed, and they'll splash and forage in rainstorms without missing a beat. That means you don't have to panic every time it rains or snows. Ducks can take care of themselves year-round. Here's a big one. Ducks don't scratch. They won't tear up your mulch or uproot your seedlings like chickens will. Instead, they'll eat slugs, grubs, mosquito larvae, and weeds, while leaving your plants alone. They're the ultimate garden companions, gentle, effective, and low impact. Ducks often lay more consistently year-round compared to chickens. While your chickens might slow down or stop in the darker months, many duck breeds, especially khaki Campbells, Welsh Harlequins, and Golden 300s, will keep laying well into fall and winter. That means more food for your table and less reliance on the grocery store. Raising ducks is easier than you think. Here's what you need to start: a secure, simple shelter with dry bedding. A water source deep enough for them to dunk their heads. Basic feed. You can even use non-medicated chick starter with brewer's yeast. And a few hardy breeds like Indian rummers or Pekin ducks. They're quiet, productive, and incredibly fun to watch. Ducks are the underrated heroes of the homestead. They're easier to care for, more productive, and better suited to natural, sustainable living than most people realize. If you want fresh, nutritious eggs with less hassle and more harmony, give ducks a try. Thanks for joining me on Natural Earth Living. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop your duck questions or stories in the comments below. Until next time, stay rooted, stay wild, and stay well.